Hi guys, it's Olivia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the ultimate date night look. It's so kissable, so huggable. It's just perfect for every date, okay? So yeah, just grab a snack, sit down, and let's have some fun together. Alright you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start with the foundation I've been using in most of my videos so far, which is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup in the shade 40 Nude. And yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face. Let's go. And also going in with the same concealer as usual, which is the Maybelline Better Skin. And quickly, I'm just gonna go in with my powder, which is the usual again, Coty Airspun. So just wiping off the excess. Alright you guys, now it's time for the eyes. Alright, I'm gonna jump into the In the Flesh palette again, and I'm just gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the crease for a good transition shade. Fluffy blending brush, and just put that right in the upper. I have some leftover color on here. This is not good. I just put a bunch of pink on my lid. There we go. Blend that out really good. Blending is your friend, so blend, blend, blend. Now it's time to use the palette I have used the most in my lifetime. This gold shade is my favorite shade of all time, and I've been hitting pan, so I've been really using it sparingly because I'm like, what am I gonna do when I run out of this gold? But I just ordered a bunch of Colourpop makeup that I'm going to be trying out soon, which I'm so excited for. I'm going to be trying a new mascara, a new foundation, a new shadow palette, and I think one more thing. I can't remember. Oh, a highlighter. But the palette I ordered had a gold shade in it, so I'm hoping I love it as much as I love this one so that I can have hope in my life. But alright, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the dark brown shade in here. I'm just gonna dip my smaller blending brush into the shade. I'm just gonna put that into the crease as well. But yeah, I am so excited to try out this Colourpop makeup. I'm hoping my order ships soon, but I've heard so many good things about this brand, and so I'm way excited. I like to drag the darker shades up a little bit when I get to the outer corner, just so it kind of gives my eye a lifting illusion. And just cleaning that up with the fluffier brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the MAC Select Coverup and just put that on my lid. Not necessarily to cut the crease, but just so the glitter stands out more. I don't know about anybody else, but I always find this so satisfying. I don't know, maybe we will cut the crease a little bit. Not as big as Alrighty, now for my favorite shade. beautiful, beautiful gold. This makes me so excited. And just put that right on top. Kind of have to go into it several times because it's hitting pan. I also have sentimental value towards this palette because my sister gave it to me for one of my birthdays. So I'm just sad. Alrighty, then just take the darker brown shade again and put that on the outer corner slash where the gold is, so just so it blends all nice and stuff. Just blend it, blend it, blend it all nice. And then lastly, for the top part of the lid, put the darkest color, barely just a little bit of it on the very, very corner of your eye. Slightly blend it upwards. And now for the lower lash line, just take the dark brown and blend it onto the outer corner of the bottom. I feel like doing this really helps make the eye look a lot bigger and just gives you like an overall, I don't know the word I'm trying to use. It just, oh, it completes the eye. I think doing the bottom lid really completes the eye. And then on the inner part, put the gold. It's always really good to make sure that you put lighter colors on the inner part of your lid because otherwise it'll just close your eyes in and make them look a lot smaller. And you want to make sure they look nice and big, beautiful, and flirty. Sorry if it seems like I'm sitting weird, I just have to be tilted this way a little bit because my mirror, like I use over here so for the good lighting. So that is why I'm sitting this way if any of you are wondering that. Okay, cool. Now we're going to just finish off the face, do blush and bronzer. And I'm really using the products I usually use, so I'm just gonna run through that and I'll put the products down below if you're wondering what any of those are. A lot of people don't love blush a lot, but it's one of my favorite things for the face. I feel like it just brightens everything up and I've just always loved it. It just gives me the little smooch of color I need. Alrighty, I'm using a different highlighter today. I'm using the Hard Candy highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. I'm really just using this lighter shade and the touch of the darker shade, like barely any. This highlighter is actually super, super pretty, so if you're looking for a drugstore highlighter, I really recommend this one. It's not super blinding, but it's really beautiful. And we want to look super glowy, honey, so super glowy for our date tonight. So we're just gonna put it on the nose, Cupid's bow, ooh, a little too much there. And then a little bit right here, and a tiny, tiny, tiny bit on the chin. All right, next I'm gonna go in with a pencil for my brows today, just because I want a little bit of that more soft, kissable look for our date tonight. So yeah, let's do that. Whether I use a pomade or a pencil, like it really just depends on the look I'm going for, so, and my mood, so I'm just feeling this. already and just going in with my MAC gel to set those brows. Nobody can resist these brows. No, they can. Do they look kissable? Now I'm just gonna go in with my NYX liner, and no cat liner today, just a nice rounded liner. Mine and my husband's anniversary, our 2-year anniversary is coming up, so, well, I think it's on Monday. I don't think anyone will see this till Tuesday, so by the time everyone sees this, it will have already passed, but this is the plan for whatever. And then just the outer part of the bottom lash line. I forgot to do this, but put the highlighter, the lighter shade, not even a little bit, the darker one, in the inner corner and under the brow bone. Sorry if I'm all over the place, that's just okay, cool. So now I'm going to just curl my lashes, pop on some Better Than Sex, and then I will show you the falsies I'm using today. So yeah, I'm way excited to try another mascara when my order comes in from ColourPop. Yes, I'm actually trying something that's not my favorite, because this is Better Than Sex has always been my favorite mascara ever since I've tried it, and so we're gonna see if the other one lives up to this. Ooh, I hate it when I do that. The best trick for when that happens is don't take it off right away, let it dry, and it'll come off a lot easier. So bothersome. Alright you guys, these are the falsies I'm using today. I think I used them in my last video too, but I just wanted to bring them up again and show them to you guys because they are seriously my favorite lashes I've tried so far. I think they're so pretty. I feel like when I use too big of a lash, it really overwhelms my face, but these are just the perfect amount of flirty. I love them. They are the... I'm sorry, I just had to space out. These are called Ritzy by Kiss. I love them. So let's just pop those on. And just a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. For lips, I'm going to be using a lipstick from Estee Lauder, and this is in the shade Pinkberry Cream. And on top of that, I'm going to be using this Kylie Jenner gloss in the shade Cupid. I love this gloss. It is so pretty. I recommend, if you think you're gonna get a little smoochy on your kiss, to go with something that's a little bit kiss proof. So for that, I usually recommend, I love the Kylie formula, her mattes and her, what are they called? Oh, her velvet formulas. I really recommend those. With the velvet formula, you just have to wait a little bit longer to let it dry down, but that is like better with kisses. I'm married, and so I don't really care about that, and neither does my husband right now. So yeah, I'm just going in heavy with the gloss, okay? Kylie Jenner's lipsticks are really nice too, and they dry down well. So they're pretty kiss proof too. Not all the way kiss proof, but they're pretty kiss proof. Alright, and just finishing off with some setting spray, honey. Sheer and by Hard Candy. This means I need to pray. guys, this is the final look for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the little bell so you can get a notification when I upload a new video. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and coming on along this makeup journey with me. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you guys. Mwah.